Mahei singna Tansilliba Lousing Khunaida Kanaba Pirabadi Khunnai adu Chaokhatkpa haina Manipur ki Governor Kumar Vallana phongdokre. Manipur Technical University na sinduna Palace Compound Labour City Convention Hall da pangtokhiba ahanba convocation gi thoram pangtokre. Thoram aduda Governor Kumar Valla, Higher and Technical Education ki Commissioner Ningthausam Geoffrey, IIT Guwahati ki Director Professor Devendra Jarihal, Manipur Technical University ki VC Professor W Chan Babu amadi MTU ki Registrar Ramananda Nomai Kapam na saruk yake. Thoramaduda kumja English-Aniga kundagi English-Aniga kunmanga fawa Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering amadi Master of Business Administration da degree fanglakraba Mahei singda award pituna ikai khumnaba utke. Governor Kumar Vallana makha taraduna mai paknanaba sambalambi leite masi Mahei singna kauroidabani Tansilliba Lousing adu Khunaida Kanaba pinanaba hotnagadabani loinana MTU dagi graduate loiduna degree fangliba Mahei na Khunnai asigi miyamda Kanaba pinanaba hotnagadabani awang nongpuk India gi oina Technical University singi manungda MTU asisu makok thongba Mahei sang ama ohenbada Thaudang lawinase University asigi infrastructure yauna Mahei masin tambibagi kanglonda ahongba Chaokhatkpa kaya lakpagi mami tarakli University asida hauzik tongan ba stream tarukta Mahei chatret lomna Mahei tamle academic session English-Ani kunmanga dagi hauna University asida PhD gi course hapchan mangamlakpa sina research ki lamda yauna ahongba laklagani University asida gi Tansilliba technical Lousing adu creative idea da onthoktuna miyam da kanaba pinanaba hotnaba change MTU bu leibaga sigi awangba University singi thaktagi tadana pukatnanaba Manipur lengakna angamba thaudang logani haike.
There is no shortcut to hard work in life if you want to achieve anything. And government job is not the only thing. There are startups. There's a lot of creativity we can have. We can look forward to teaching side. There are plenty of professions available which you can look towards. But in all professions, you have to work hard, maintain discipline, and then go for. Then success is on your feet. Manipur Technical University should aspire to reach a level of institution. In Manipur, you are definitely on the top, but in the northeast first and in India, and then start competing with the institutions like IITs and all. Government of Manipur has keen interest in making this technical university a center of higher learning, and the same will be achieved in due course of time. Today, Manipur Technical University should focus on research, innovation, critical thinking and graduate outcome. This will increase our ranking at national and international levels. Besides, we need to introduce more market-oriented courses and make the university more relevant for achieving the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047.